Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Italian sub sliders. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 12 slider buns. I'm going to use the Hawaiian rolls, but you can use any kind you like. Then you need 12 slices of ham, 12 slices of salami, and 12 slices of the large deli pepperoni. So I found this sub trio that has the ham, the salami, and the pepperoni already in there. And then you need 6 slices of provolone cheese or any kind of other cheese that you want to use. This recipe is very versatile. You can do whatever you want. And then you need a half a cup of banana pepper sliced. If you want to do peppers, onions, you can pretty much do whatever you want, like I said. Then you need 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning and 1/4 cup of butter. So let's go ahead and get started. Get out a 9x13 baking dish and then preheat your oven to 350. And we're going to open up our slider rolls and just cut them in half and just lay the whole bottom layer on into the baking dish. Alright, my buns are cut in half here, and next I'm just going to layer all of my meats in there. So just layer your ham, salami, and pepperoni on top of this, and we're going to use about 12 slices of each. Alright, my 3 meats are layered on there evenly, so next I'm going to put about 6 pieces of cheese over top. Alright, my cheese slices are added, so next I'm going to add my pepper rings to at least half of it. A taste tester doesn't really like those. And you can add, like I said, whatever else you want to add to your sub at this time. Alright, that looks pretty good to me, so next I'm going to add my tops back on. Alright, my tops are added back on, so next I placed my butter in a small bowl and I'm going to just melt that in the microwave until it's melted, about 30 seconds. Alright, the butter is nice and melted, so I'm going to add my tablespoon of Italian seasoning, give it a good stir, and brush it on top of my sliders. Alright, that looks nice and combined, so like I said, brush it on top of your sliders, and if you have any left when they come out of the oven, if you want to brush them again, that's fine. Alright, those already look and smell amazing. So we are going to cover this with foil and bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Just until everything is nice and warm and melted through. Alright, those just came out of the oven and they look and smell amazing. The cheese is all melty. I do have some more of the Italian seasoning and butter, but I don't think I'm going to brush it on there because I just don't want it to be too overpowering. So let's cut into these and let them cool off a bit and see what taste tester thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, everyone, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I like subscribe.
Bye.